Hi, this is Leslie and welcome back to my channel. How are you today? Well, I hope you're well because today I want to talk to you about how you can find yourself the best business for 2021. So subscribe to my channel, give me a like and hit my notifications bell so that you can hear more in this theme. But today, I just really wanted to address the fact that a lot of people right now are feeling broke and bored and wondering what direction to go. Maybe you've realized that a job is not for life and there are a few challenges going on in the world at the moment. So I just want to give you some advice about something that I have tried and tested for over 3 decades. Now, right now, this is a completely new concept in the world of business because most people have always thought about going out and getting the traditional job. And when they're short of money, maybe they have more hours in their job to work, or maybe they get a second job, or maybe they work evenings, whatever. So right now, every job is under threat, it seems. And so what I want to do is to share with you what I've been doing, working from home with my own business that has just completely made my life free of boss, free of having to clock in and clock out, and actually, interestingly, free of any kind of worry and concern at this time. And 2021 is going to be a time when people are going to reassess where they are right now. They're going to be thinking about, have I got a job to go back to? Have I got a future in this job? Do I want to stay there? Is it going to be cut back? And there's lots and lots of questions, and there's no answers particularly out there in the world of jobs. And so I wanted to explain to you what I do. And also I wanted to point out that I've just spent the last 7 days online with tens of thousands of people. This is the thing that we can do now that we've got Zoom online. Tens of thousands of people who are doing a similar kind of business to mine. And that is what we call MLM, multi-level marketing. Now there's many companies that do business through MLM, and every single person who's part of the MLM system is their own boss. They're all self-employed and they do what they do under the umbrella of a larger company that provides the goods. Now, the company that I've been involved with for 30 odd years has been in the field of health and nutrition. So you may have heard of it. It's the #1 nutrition company in the world, Herbalife Nutrition. And I do this working from home in my little office. And, it's come to the point where actually I don't even need to be in my office. I can have a laptop or a mobile phone and run my business from any room in my house while I'm at home. And then when I go out or go abroad, I can continue with the laptop lifestyle. So that's the beauty of doing things online. But also, the kind of business that you're involved in makes a big difference, because the business that I'm involved in is to do with your health. And of course, what's the biggest requirement from the world today? What are people more concerned about than anything? I mean, you might like to buy a new car, but actually you haven't got very far that you can drive in it. You might want to enjoy travel, but at the moment you can't travel very much. So let's just look at something that's a consistent business that people really want. And that is their health and their nutrition. And that's precisely what I help people with. It all started out when I myself used these products, fantastic health and nutrition products, to help me to lose some weight. And lots of people want to do that, and I'm sure a lot of people in lockdown also want to do that. But I actually lost 21 pounds. I lost 4 inches from my waist and 3 inches around my tummy and my hips. Didn't go to a gym, didn't do any exercise. I just lost the weight through good nutrition. And since then, because I have been able to live and show my personal results, I have helped hundreds, if not thousands of people to better health as well. Now, I haven't been able to do it single-handedly. That's not how it works. This is why we're called multi-level marketing. I have a handful of customers that I look after day in, day out, year in, year out. And it's great because we can just do a sort of an online Facebook platform where we support our customers and keep in touch with them on all the different WhatsApp groups and Telegram groups and so on. But also I train, coach and support many of the people who have used these products and had great results themselves and therefore feel confident in talking to their family and friends. And then they themselves build up little teams of customers and teams of members that also do the same coaching as they do. So it's a very simple matter of, monkey see, monkey do. So I take these products, I lose weight, I feel great, and I show other people how to do that. And some of them become my customers, and some of them decide that they want to do this as a business opportunity on the side as well. So I support and help and train them. And all of that not only helps people transform their health and their weight and their well-being, but it also helps people to make a little bit of an extra income. Some people only want, a discount on their own nutrition products. Some people would like to make an extra 2, 3, 4, 500 pounds a month. And some people would like to make much, much more. And all of the possibilities are there depending on what you yourself want. The possibilities are actually limitless in this company. The harder you work, the bigger your team becomes, the more money you can actually make at this. And then there's never the boss who's going to say to you, sorry, I'm going to have to put you on furlough. Oh dear, I'm not sure if this job's going to be here for you next month, and so on. This is something that you can take at your own pace and grow as much as you like. You can take time off if you need to, so that you can deal with your children or deal with any other work responsibilities. It's something most people start part-time because they just want to see if it fits in around their lives. And also when they're using the products and getting their own positive results, it starts to snowball because people around them are noticing them, and that's the basic simple training that people need, just to know how good they're feeling and share that feeling of well-being with the people that they're talking to. You can do it to 2 or 3 people around where you are at home, is how I started. Or if you're much more internet savvy, know how to use Instagram, Facebook, etc. to your advantage, then those are all much faster ways of multiplying your ability to contact people. So I hope that's given you something of an idea. I have years, decades of experience in building this business. And so if you are at all intrigued, if you only want to see how the products work for you, great, let's talk about that. Put a comment in the bottom below or contact me. My contact details will be there. And we can help you to get started on your own nutrition plan, and then look towards how you can help yourself and others to make some extra money on the side, or have a complete business that makes you an absolute fortune and takes it around the world for you. How exciting! Possibilities here are super endless. So look forward to hearing from you soon. Give me a call, drop me a line, and don't forget to give me a like. And I look forward to talking to you again really, really soon about your positive future.